We found a little cat family at Home Depot, and we're gonna go put out a little home for them. We got an old Lowe's box. Gonna put a tarp over it, staple it on there, get it weatherproofed. We're expecting some crazy snow. We're out of school today. You see it coming in, and it's the entire left side of the map is gonna be pure snow. And so yeah, we're gonna be trying to be nice civilians, and we always feed them. We take them food and water, check on them when it's bad weather. So we're gonna go save some dang cats. Gonna be whipping the panda today. Okay guys, so we are on the way to Home Depot, and as you see back here, we've got our box that we made a little house out of, and hopefully these cats are gonna be anxious to see us. Did we bring food?
We did.
We have food to feed them, so great. So we do have some very bad weather coming, so everyone's saying, you know, stay in your house. If you gotta come out, don't try to go out if you don't have to. So we are on a mission though to save these dang cats. Okay, look what I just saw. It's a convertible SUV. It's a Nissan Murano. And these things look so weird. I don't know why they make a convertible, and the only other convertible SUV I've ever seen is the Range Rover Evoque convertible, which I just, you go straight. You just missed it.
He can kiss my butt.
Alright guys, I can't wait to show you this dang place. So that little fence right there is where we go behind, and you should see all the stuff we put back there. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. So I'm Hudson, welcome to MTV Crib. First when you walk in, you got a little house. This is the first one that's been here. We got some food and water on deck, but keep in mind it's 20 degrees, so it's frozen. Got another food bowl here. Walking on back, we got another one. We got another food bowl here. Tin, real shiny, they can see it. Reflects real good. Moving on back, of course, we got more dry food. This is a big tub. This is the main kitchen here. So we just added another addition to the house. So this is going to be the renovated main one because it's nice and huge. You can fit about, I'd say, 10 cats in each box. Moving on back, this is the house. I don't know if we're keeping it or not.
Ew, I smell cat pee.
So moving on further back, it's really just blank space all the way back there, but I'm glad to show you guys. There's a bunch of open gaps here in the fence, so they can really get back here. And really it just keeps on getting more dense and dense, and then keep in mind Home Depot is right on the other side of this fence, so this is like a privacy barrier, but it just kind of goes into the woods and gets tangled in vines, but nothing's really down there. It's just a little gully, so this is a really nice safe place for them just to come back at night. We just kind of found them and keep coming back and helping them out. So yeah, feel pretty good doing it, honestly. Helps them out, especially this time of year. I'm sure in the summer they're a little bit fine. They can catch their own food in the summer, and you know, it's warmer and they don't have to freeze every night. But yeah, we're just gonna keep taking care of them, I guess, until they just don't need it anymore. One of them showed up, old black and white one. So we're gonna leave them be and get out of here and let them eat and everything. Good, how you doing? Honestly, my favorite truck in the whole world, right there. You guys are the man. Okay. Yo, man, I finally got it.
Finally got what?
The dang thing working.
Cool.
See, right now it's like that, but when I pop up, it gets my face and it's like, well, hello. So welcome back. Today, you know what we're doing. I gotta do some crap for my dad, but Dad was like, come up here, son, and check some crap for me. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be like going like some crazy places. I'm gonna be going up in the woods. I'm gonna be going up in the dang woods, and we're gonna be freaking looking for some dang spooky stuff. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I don't know how the mic audio sounds on this, but who cares really? I mean, I'm in it to win it, so I'm gonna be getting a Rode video mic soon. I'm going to freaking dark abandoned place right now. Hang on. There's a dog over here. Look. It's in that. I don't know what it's doing. It's freaking me out though. That's one thing for dang sure. I almost busted the camera on the dang roof right here. Rip, I gotta work 4:30 to 8:30. And we're still expecting that huge snowstorm. I'll show you. Hold up.
This would be a perfect scenario to pre-treat the roads, Chris and Liana. The problem is this, there are so many roads around Metro Atlanta, it's nearly impossible to put down a salt frying on all.
So, they called me and they're like, yeah, we're gonna need extra help today. Everyone goes to the dang store when it starts snowing like this. My mom cleaned the dang laundry machine.
Everything's dang.
Yeah, that's the trend I'm going through. So, basically what it is it's since we're getting all this freaking snow, the dang store scheduled me off originally on this today, but they scheduled me back. They put me back on the schedule. They had me scheduled as off, then they put me back on today, and they put me 4:30 to 8:30, and I was like, what the heck? I was PO'd when I saw that, because I was planning on just having a snow day. We're expecting like 1 to 3 inches, and my girlfriend's calling me. No big deal, hold up. Hey baby cakes. Alright, so I just got to work, and let me just say, it is slam packed. I don't think there's any spots open. I'm real big on video and everything I do, so I figured this is pretty noteworthy here. Walking out to my dang car. Freaking pouring snow. I'm gonna start my car, and then I'm gonna go get a quick snow sample and see what kind of snow we're looking at here. Oh yeah, that's that crispy snow. That's like crunchy, like when it's like packs down like that, look. It's like icy snow, and look. Okay, well that's good to know. Oh my gosh, it's so icy. This is icy snow, like no kidding. Let's get some defrost or some. So I'm gonna pull out some stuff in my pocket, and you're gonna guess what it is. Ready? Got a Louis Vuitton wallet. Okay, now let's see what else I got in the pocket. That's all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my apron. We were full to capacity. I'm gonna pull out here and see exactly. Oh crap. Here comes the dang snowplow. I'm PO, dude. I hate when we get those, when they start plowing the dang streets. No, that's the point. Faggot, dude. The whole point is we're supposed to get out of school. Like, I hate when people do that, dude. Come on. That's why kids get upset, all right? Because we're supposed to be out of school, and then they ruin our whole chance. Whoa, it's powdery and it's icy, look. Ouch. So I am back in my room, and my window right here has a light right at it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. You can kind of just see all the snow coming down right there, which is really freaking cool. I've got some really freaking cool stuff planned for tomorrow, so be sure to come back and smash that like button. I'm gonna pull out my laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and start reviewing the footage, but I started off the vlog on the GoPro. I'm gonna have to get that footage off of there, and then I finished, of course, on the brand new Canon EOS Rebel SL2.